to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Friday, the 24th of July. I got some of that condensed milk coffee from this morning. Good way to end off the week. If you have your Bibles, turn to Matthew chapter 25, verse 32. Matthäus 25, vers 32. All the nations will be gathered before him, and he will separate them from one another, as the shepherd separates the sheep from the goats. The separation will take place. Daar sal 'n onderskeiding wees. Jy gaan deur Jesus Christus veroordeel of ten minste geskei word. And the sheep are going to be separated from the goats. The sheep are those who follow the shepherd, who hear his voice and follow him. The sheep are the ones who go through life seeing the hungry, the lost, the least, the lonely, see those in need, recognize and see everyone who comes across their path and looks to better their story with the grace and the testimony of Jesus Christ in their life. The difference that God can make, the positivity, the difference, die verskil wat Jesus in ons lewens, wat God in ons lewens maak, wil ons met ander mense deel. Ons kyk na hulle wat leeg is, wat 'n leemte het, wat soekend is, wat verlore is in baie opsigte, en nie verlore in die negatief, maar verlore in die sin van hulle het nie rigting, het nie doel, het nie 'n lewe nie. And the sheep are those who see the naked, see the hungry, see the thirsty, and feed them, make a difference. Give them the spiritual injection, input, positivity, testimony that they need in order to draw closer to God. And the goats are those who get the opportunity but live for self, just take everything to themselves, share nothing, care nothing, use, abuse, but don't invest, don't uplift. So are you a sheep or a goat? There is a day of accountability. There is a day of reckoning. There is a judgment day where our works, our actions, what we've done with what we've been given will be asked of us. And maybe you need to look at what's in your hand and who's around you that you can be a blessing to. Opportunity comes this Lord's Day to get into the house of the Lord and gather with the saints and be a blessing to one another, to God's glory. I trust that you have a wonderful weekend. May the Lord be with you.